Welcome back to RV World, your home for all things automotive, from rugged road machines to futuristic rides. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from the world of wheels. Now let's get into today's feature. The 2026 Kawasaki Z1100 has officially landed, and it's turning heads in every direction. This isn't just a bike, it's a bold fusion of retro muscle and futuristic engineering, blending old-school attitude with cutting-edge performance. Kawasaki has resurrected the legendary Z nameplate and turned the volume up to 11, quite literally. Let's start with what hits you first, the design. The 2026 Z1100 pays homage to the original Z1 from the 1970s, but with a modern twist. It's unmistakably aggressive, muscular, and proudly naked. The sculpted tank, sharp LED lighting, exposed trellis frame, and upswept tail all come together to create a Streetfighter with vintage soul and modern muscle. Kawasaki has perfectly balanced minimalism and presence, there's no unnecessary plastic, and every curve has a purpose. Under the skin lies what makes the Z1100 a beast. Powering this machine is an all-new 1100cc inline-four engine, liquid-cooled, DOHC, and refined with Kawasaki's latest fuel injection tech. It delivers an estimated 145 horsepower and 90 Nm of torque. But this engine isn't just about raw numbers, it's about feel. The throttle response is crisp, the torque curve is wide and friendly, and there's that unmistakable inline-four howl that only Kawasaki can deliver. One of the biggest surprises is how the Z1100 rides. Thanks to a newly developed aluminum chassis and revised geometry, it feels surprisingly nimble for a liter-plus bike. Whether you're carving through twisties or just ripping through the city, the Z1100 stays composed, responsive, and thrilling. Kawasaki has dialed in a superb suspension setup, fully adjustable Showa forks at the front and a horizontal backlink rear shock, ensuring comfort without sacrificing performance. And then, there's the electronics. The 2026 Z1100 is loaded with rider aids, but it doesn't feel overbearing. You've got ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, sport, road, rain, and a customizable rider mode, plus cornering ABS, traction control, engine brake control, and wheelie control. All of it is managed via a crisp 5-inch TFT display that includes smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and Kawasaki's Radiology app support. What's especially impressive is the new adaptive cruise control system and forward collision warning, features we typically expect in touring bikes, not naked street machines. Kawasaki wants the Z1100 to be your everyday ride, your weekend escape machine, and your track day companion, all rolled into one. And they might just have nailed it. The Z1100 also features Kawasaki's new active intake sound control, which enhances the engine note under acceleration for that addictive auditory experience without making the bike excessively loud. It's mechanical music, engineered for riders who love to feel every rev. On the braking side, we're talking dual Brembo-style mach calipers gripping 320mm discs up front, and a single disc at the rear, all backed by Bosch cornering ABS. The stopping power is phenomenal and gives you total confidence, whether you're blasting down a highway or diving into a tight corner. Let's not forget ergonomics. Kawasaki has struck a balance here too. The Z1100 isn't as committed as a supersport, but it's not as upright as a cruiser either. The slightly forward lean, wide bars, and mid-set pegs keep you engaged, but not uncomfortable. It's a bike you can ride all day without aching knees or a sore back. Kawasaki is also offering a range of official accessories for the Z1100, quickshifter, performance exhaust, heated grips, a small fly screen, soft luggage, and even a retro-style seat option that gives it even more old-school charm. Whether you want a sleek Streetfighter or a modern cafe bruiser, the customization options are wide open. Fuel capacity sits at 17 liters, and Kawasaki claims a respectable fuel efficiency figure of around 45 miles per gallon, which means you can squeeze a solid range out of every tank. That's great news for daily riders and weekend tourers alike. Now, let's talk price. While official figures vary depending on your region, the base model is expected to start around $14,000 USD, making it a serious contender in the liter bike segment, especially given the features and performance on offer. Who is the Z1100 for? Honestly, it's for riders who want soul without sacrificing tech. It's for those who appreciate the legacy of Kawasaki's Z bikes but want to live in the now. It's not trying to be a hypersport. It's trying to be the ultimate street bike, and in many ways, it succeeds. And that's a wrap on the 2026 Kawasaki Z1100. Whether you're a die-hard Kawasaki fan or just looking for your next adrenaline machine, the Z1100 deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow riders, and drop a comment below. What do you think of Kawasaki's new beast? Subscribe to RV World for more reviews, comparisons, and all things on two wheels and four. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.